So, do you get ranks in your school exams?
Yes.
How many ranks they get? They give rank holders from where? From first to second, third, fourth, till where it goes?
Uh, Third.
Only third ranks are given. Then no ranks are given to anybody. Fourth, fifth ranks are not given. Okay, fine. So, I am asking. I just want to know: have you ever come under this top three?
Yes.
Yes or no? No.
Yes. In class 1, I got third rank.
In class 1 you got third ranks, and then in class 3rd, in class 4th, the first exam, what was your rank? Did you get any rank? Hmm.
16th.
16. Okay, fine. That's I just asked. That's no problem.
Sir,
Hmm.
15, 16 rank is good.
Good. No, that is not rank. How many students are there in the class?
46.
46. Rank is not everything. The important thing is learning. How much you learned in that class. If your focus are on learning, then you will get good marks. You will get quite good marks.
Answer also.
Okay. 15 16th is थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, ज़्यादा पीछे हो गया. If you have 5th 6th, at least in top 10, if you focus on
Below
learning,
10th, below 11 or 10th.
If you focus on learning, if you are taking interest in learning, if you are studying well, then coming in top 10 is not that difficult, I think.
Yes. Sir, अच्छा रैंक लाने के लिए बस हम लोग एक ही बार ट्राई कर सकते हैं अच्छे रैंक लाने के लिए.
What do you mean? एक ही बार ट्राई कर सकते हैं?
जैसे कि मान सपोज मैं क्लास 2 में हूँ, तो क्लास 1 में आया मेरे थर्ड रैंक. तो क्लास 2 में अगर मेरे ये 13 या 14 रैंक बनते हैं, तो फिर मैं क्लास 3 में मैं ट्राई नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
Try to speak in English.
Suppose I am class.
You were saying you got third rank in class 1.
Yes.
And in class 3rd?
No, class 2nd.
In next class you came very low.
Yes.
Your rank was very down. So you mean can't you come back in the next class? Of course you can come back. Who is stopping you to come back? Again you can come in top 3. It's not like once you have went down, then it is difficult for you to go up. It's not like that. It's all in your mind. Okay.
सर ये क्या बोलते हैं, होल वर्ल्ड से 90% ऑफ वर्ल्ड से
90% of world says, just present tense, is नहीं लगाना है.
और से
आर नहीं लगाना है. Simple present. Most of the sentences we say in while talking English are simple present tense. He goes, world says, is, are, have, has कुछ नहीं लगता है.
90% ऑफ वर्ल्ड
मैक्सिमम सेंटेंस जो हम लोग बोलते हैं सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है. आई स्टडी, ही गोज, दे से. बोलो.
90% ऑफ वर्ल्ड सेज. अगर तुम्हारे 85% बनते हैं, तो कभी कभी लोग बोलते हैं, जैसे उसके 92 बने, 95 बने हैं, थोड़े 90 ला देता, 92 ला देता तो तेरा क्या जाता। तो फिर फिर बच्चे सोचते हैं कि ये दुनिया नंबर से नहीं नॉलेज से चलती है ना।
Both are important. Number is also important, but number is not everything. Knowledge is also important. So we should try to cover both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We should study enough.
Continue the class.
Yes. What was your homework?